Hey guys, Artillery J here. Just wanted to do a quick tutorial. I'm recording this on my phone, and this is more of a life hack type tutorial, nothing to do with gaming. So this is a way to fold your clothes to make a little bit more space and kind of organize things. So I'm going to flip the camera around and show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so I've got these rolls right here, and these rolls contain one t-shirt, one pair of socks, and one pair of underwear, each roll. And so I'm going to show you how to do these rolls. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your shirt, and what you want to do is have it graphic side down or front side down. Let me unfold this. Okay, so you can see that the front side is down, and then you want to fold the sleeves up like this. So fold each sleeve in like so. Then you want to take the bottom and you want to tuck it under. So the bottom is actually tucked right like so, right? And then you take your underwear. These are new, so I gotta unroll them. Alright, and then you're gonna fold these in like so. And then again on the other side, and then fold it in half one more time so that it makes like a strip. You're going to take that strip and you're going to stick it right in the center of the t-shirt like so. Next you're going to take a pair of socks and you're going to place the socks just like this, right, so that it makes it just like goes into the center of the t-shirt, right? Now you're going to fold over, you're going to fold this side over to the middle, and you're going to fold this side over to the middle. So, might be hard to do with a camera, but I'm going to try. Alright, so there's the first fold, and here goes the second fold. Oh, dropped the phone there. Alright, so as you can see, it's folded nice and tight. And you're just going to flip it around so that this flap is at the top, right? And then you want to roll this, and you want to get it as tight as you can. Typically what I do is push down on it and roll, and you want to roll it as tight as you can get it, and then grab the back end with your fingers like so, and then lift it. Next, you're going to flip it around, and you see this flap right here. You see it's two parts. You've got this, let me see if I can get my finger in the shot there. This flap here, and then this flap. Try it like this. You got this flap right here, and then the flap on top right here. So you want to leave this bottom flap down. You want to take this top flap and you want to roll it over. I'll try to do that real quick. Okay, so I pulled that top flap around so that it rolled over, and now is a nice tight and compact ball, and you've got everything but your pants in one little roll. And these fit really nicely into your dresser drawer and stack up, and everything's organized. So you can get everything in one drawer real easy. I've been using this since I was in the military, and we did the shirt rolls by themselves, but I added the socks and underwear to keep my outfits together while I was deployed and stuff. So just something helpful I thought that you guys might like, so try it for yourself. Later.